Tonight we are honoring our patients, survivors, and forever fighters for breast and ovarian cancer. Each one of these bags has been dedicated to a patient, a survivor, or a forever fighter. Some of the messages really are messages of hope. Others are messages of love. Some are children's messages in crayon, honoring their grandmother. And so we really want to support the men and women who are affected by these cancers. Due to the pandemic, we have not been able to spend the time with them that we normally would away from the hospital. So we are setting up these luminaries to really show our honor and love for them as well.
Operation One Shot is an opportunity for UPMC to utilize our mass vaccination plan at a variety of locations to make a determination if our assumptions when we wrote the plan are correct. Today, and this week, we have an opportunity to test that plan and then make adjustments for the future. We realize that as a vaccine is prepared across the country and across the world, that we as healthcare are going to be intricately involved in the utilization of that vaccine and the distribution of the vaccine. And so One Shot is one of our opportunities to begin the vaccination of UPMC. Today, we're utilizing an app. We're able to put the data directly in and scan your badge, know who you are, put where the shot was, and track it. And instead of taking 2 or 3 minutes or 4 minutes per person, it's taking about 30 seconds. And so we're scheduling people utilizing technology. We're utilizing technology to be able to track who has received their vaccine, and we're able to have people scheduled during periods of time that it does not distract from their day-to-day responsibilities. Our years of experience in this space tells us that we need to be prepared to be able to do this mass vaccination. And so this is an opportunity to really test the plan in its entirety to see truly in a real environment, utilizing real medication with real people, will it work? And so far, the answer is yes.
Were it not for you, our key people, we wouldn't be here today.
Recognizing these family needs, we've started a variety of services on site, which helps decrease some of these barriers and promote optimum health.